Hello and welcome to LibreCAD tutorial. Today I want to draw a simple object, but it is very difficult if you don't have a trick to draw. Okay, let's start to draw with activate some snap functions. There are free snap on endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, for the first, there's an object. We have only one data about the object, the horizontal distance 95.2. Okay, let me start to draw. First I want to draw the horizontal. Okay, the horizontal, select horizontal line and type in the box the length 95.2. Left click to put the line on the screen and then right click to escape. Okay, before we draw, I want to create helping lines. Okay, use freehand. Select freehand line. Okay, in this image or in this object, there are many triangles. You can see the triangle. Okay. Oh, freehand, where is freehand? Oh, where is freehand? Like, okay. Oh, I think we should activate exclusive snap mode. Okay, so we can draw. Okay. Yes. Many triangles. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, I want to divide the horizontal line into the parts. There's one part for this, okay, and one part for use freehand. Okay. This is one part, okay, and this is another part, okay. This is a half part and a half part, so there are 1 2 3 parts for the horizontal. Okay, next, select vertical, and I want to divide the horizontal into 3 parts. Okay, deactivate exclusive snap before and change the middle points into 2. It will divide the horizontal into 3 parts. Okay, select vertical line, left click and left click at the point, and left click again the point and left click. Okay, there are 3 parts from the horizontal line. Okay, but the problem, we have to create the half part on the right side and in the left side, at the right side and at the left side. Okay, I think it's okay. Use trim tool, left click and left click. Okay, right click to escape. No, select again vertical line and left click at the change the middle points before into 1 and left click at the middle of our horizontal line, right click to escape. Okay, now select this line and select move for copy, left click at the reference point and left click at target point, select keep original, click OK. Okay, and next, select trim tool, left click, okay, right click. Okay, now we have this part. This is okay. I think I want to delete this one. Okay, select 2 points and draw line horizontal. Okay, right click right click again. Okay, next select the line and select rotate, and left click at the reference point and left click at left click at the rotation center before and the reference point. Okay, and then okay, change the angle into 60. Select keep original, click OK. Select the line, select move or copy, left click at the reference point and left click target point. Select keep original, click OK. Okay, I need to delete the lines. Okay, next select this line. I want to mirror the line. Select mirror, left click for the first point of mirror line and left click for the second point of mirror line. Select delete original, click OK. Select 2 points, draw line horizontally. Okay, right click to escape, right click again. Okay, now select this line and select move or copy tool, left click at the reference point and target point. Select keep original, click OK, and then select this line, select move or copy, left click at the reference point and target point. Select keep original, click OK. Okay, I think we should delete all the vertical lines. And now select this object and then select rotate tool. Oh, sorry. Okay, we need to create helping lines or auxiliary lines. Select 2 points, draw line diagonally at in the triangle. Okay, like this. We can delete the triangle also. Okay, select the object and select rotate tool, left click at the intersect the point and left click at the rotation reference point. Okay, select left click and select and change the angle into 120. Okay, select multiple copies, type 2 in the box and click OK. Yes. Select the lines, okay, delete. Okay, try to use horizontal line. Select try to use horizontal dimension, horizontal, left click. Okay, yes, we have drawn the object. Okay, delete and select the object. Okay, select heads tool and mark solid fill box, click OK. Select another object. Okay, yes. Okay. Okay, I think we have finished our job for today. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy our video, and please subscribe to our channel to help us to improve our channel. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Bye.